Yeah, so our recycling cupboard is overflowing. So we've just come to drop off some recycling. Go on then. Big bag. Silly them. Some more. Lorry. George just spotted the lorry. Wow. Yep. Yeah, all of those, all the crisp packets. They can go in. Plastic bags, food bags. They can all go in. They can just do the whole thing can go in, Emily. The whole thing. The whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing. And then the next shop. Yep. Yep. Perfect. No, we're going to keep that one.
Hello, I'm Emily.
And I'm Kate.
And this is George.
George isn't in camera shot. He's just here eating marshmallows.
And I've got a hot chocolate with my friends. I got a pink one and a white one. And as you can see.
So we thought we would have a proper sort of autumnal evening. We've got our pumpkin. So we did grow a squash, which we were going to do, but we ended up buying a pumpkin anyway to do some pumpkin carving with some other people, but we never actually got round to it. So we're going to use the pumpkin that we bought because it's a little bit rounder. Our squash is quite tall, isn't it, Emily? Yeah. So we've got a proper evening here, proper autumnal evening with hot chocolate and marshmallows and carving our pumpkin. So unfortunately it doesn't have like a stalk on it, but never mind. The first thing we're going to do, Emily, is we're going to chop the top off. So I'm going to do this because it can be quite dangerous. So we're going to, if I can try and do this right through. Hopefully it's not really, it'll probably be wonky because that's what happens. Hang on. Right. So yeah, it's a bit wonky, but never mind. So now we've got our lid. However it went on. Okay. Now it's time to scoop out the middle. I'm going to move your drink. Shall I cut around it? I'm going to cut. Hang on, George.
We're going to keep these seeds so you can grow one of our own pumpkins.
We can, can't we? Right, so we're going to have two bowls actually. We're going to have one bowl full of seeds and that inside, and then we're going to see if we can get some of the flesh out and see if we can make.
We're going to keep these and we're going to put them here.
We'll put them in the bowl. Let me just cut it away because all the stringy sort of fibrous stuff is sort of stuck to the side of the pumpkin.
What we don't want is this yucky stuff.
No, that's going. And then the other fleshy bit we'll keep.
Mummy!
Yes, George?
No!
More what, darling?
Marshmallows?
No, he's not having any more. Emily's just washing her hands, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the flesh so that we can make some sort of pumpkin soup or something. Yes, George. Milk. I have no idea if this is the right way to do it. I'm not sure I've ever carved a pumpkin before. That's probably quite embarrassing to admit, but I think Daddy's always done them. And we never really did them as children. It's a squeaky pumpkin, can you hear it?
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. Not yet, George, you've got to wait. More milk. Hang on then. So we've got our pumpkin seeds and stringy bits, and then we've got some of the actual pumpkin flesh here. Good job. Perfect. What's that bit?
The eyeballs.
The eyeballs. Well, we're going to cut these triangles out, because then the light will shine through it, won't it?
Let's do it now.
Right, so I'm going to slice. So we have got now eyes, a nose and a mouth. Shall we put a light in it?
Yeah. It's like a birthday pumpkin.
Like a birthday pumpkin.
Oh.
So, don't want those seeds falling on top. Ready, let's find the lid. I'm not sure which way it goes. Right, keep it still because it will get hot, don't it? Right, there we go. So one see. I like that. Oh, look. Does he look scary? Little bit. Oh, well that's not bad, is it, for our first... Pardon?
Dad.
Sad, is he sad?
It's
scary. Scary. That's not bad for our first pumpkin, is it?
No.
We'll have to do the other one in a bit. Maybe with Daddy and see if we can get 2 of them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Very good.